You do not want to do this, trust me.
Mask! Copy!
All right, have it your own way.
Mask!
Copy.
What the hell is this? Left with it!
What the hell are you?
We are Venom.
I'm Eddie Brock. I'm a reporter. I found something really bad. I have been taken.
Eyes, lungs, pancreas. So many snacks.
Man and symbiote. A higher life form.
I'm so sorry.
Teddy, we can do whatever we want.
That power. It's not completely awful.
You have no idea how much you're scaring me right now.
Giant leaps will always come at a cost.
Venom. We all have our own demons. You used to be one thing. Now, you're something else.
Are you gonna behave yourself?
No.
I have no problem with you sticking around. But you will only hurt the bad people.
So many snacks. So little time.
Eddie, you look lousy.
I have a parasite. I'm Eddie Brock. I'm a reporter. I found something really bad. And I have been
Eddie.
Who said that? Taken.
Human beings are disposable. But man and symbiote combined. This is the new species.
What do you want from me?
You will find out.
We cannot just hurt people.
We can do whatever we